Are you looking for the best printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP Color LaserJet Pro M283FDW. HP Color LaserJet Pro M283FDW has won the first position on our list, being a color laser printer packed with all-in-one features. From print quality to build quality and providing convenient features, the HP LaserJet Pro M283FDW performed exceptionally during the testing phase. The printer was bulky because the build quality seemed superior. The package arrived along with the introductory toner cartridges and some cords. The cartridges weren't marked as high yield and they provided adequate page yield as expected. The monochrome printing provided 800 pages, and color cartridges provided 700 pages. The connectivity was seamless and the setup was simple for a tech nerd, but a novice can also execute it thoroughly. The mobile printing via HP Smart app was convenient, which allowed us to make the custom templates, reducing the stress of repeating the tasks each time for office work. Not only wireless connectivity, but you can connect the devices via Ethernet and dual-band Wi-Fi. Equipped with fast printing speed, the printer printed 22 pages per minute in both printing modes, color as well as monochrome printing. Although compared with HP Color LaserJet Pro M182NW, which also has a similar price, this model provided more speedy printings along with an auto document feeder which lacks the LaserJet Pro M182NW model. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET4850. A cartridge-free innovation by Epson to eliminate the spending of big bucks on traditional cartridges. The nifty Epson ET4850 won't take up much space on your desktop because the building shape is compact and lightweight that easily adjusts itself on every small desktop. Whether you own a micro office or thinking to start a home-based business, the ET4850 can be your best companion. The initial price may cost an arm and a leg, but that justifies in the long term by providing a great page yield and reducing the cost per print. The package had 4 ink bottles equipped with EcoFit technology that was effortless filling and refilling the EcoTanks once they were attached to the tank. Thanks to the EcoTanks, checking the ink levels was visible at the front and we didn't monitor via any app or our operating system. Along with that, those ink bottles produced thousands of pages before refilling. Slow and steady always wins the race. The printing speed of the ET4850 was relatively slower than the WF Epson models but faster than its predecessor ET4750, producing the monochrome prints at 25 ppm speed and 12 ppm color. Though the print quality was also outstanding, even though we printed the nitty-gritty images, the hairlines in the colored photos and the small texts below for PT were clearly readable. Number 3. Epson Expression Photo HD XP15000. What makes the Epson XP15000 stand out from other printers is supporting 6 color cartridges for photos. 2 additional color cartridges specially for photos are used to get more enhanced colors and a clear color gamut, which makes this printer the best photo printer under $500. The output quality of the photos produced by XP15000 was comparable with the commercial-grade photo printers because it produced vibrant colors with dense images. The body was extremely compact and didn't feel like premium material, but only possible it was 30% smaller than the other professional printers, which let it adjust on any craft table, thanks to its compact size. Although all the 6 color-filled cartridges come with the package, the cost per page was higher, which was 14 cents when it comes to printing photos. However, the monochrome cost per print is possible, which is for cents. The navigation panel has the tilted option equipped LCD display but not the touchscreen, so you can navigate it via buttons located at the right side of the screen. You can connect Ethernet and wireless connection to print from Apple as well as Android smartphones, including laptops with various operating systems. Number 4. HP Officejet 250. A premium portable printer that offers you to carry the printer around and fit on the desktop or whatever place you like. Just take the printer, connect the phone via a wireless connection and start printing your photos or essential documents. The width is only under 15 inches, so a small place is also suitable to store the printer or carry inside the bag at your workplace. Thanks to the manufacturers, who made this printer also nifty and lightweight, that is only 2.96 kgs. The standout feature is it doesn't require direct power to operate, but instead it utilizes the lithium battery system, which helps you to take the printer to your office or anywhere you want. The battery was also fast charging and surprisingly printed 500 pages with a single charge. But it may vary depending upon the type of documents you intend to print. Number 5. Brother MFC L3750CDW. The third laser printer on our list is comparatively different a little but in features from the above reviewed printers. However, the basic features are similar, including printing in color, Wi-Fi connectivity, the same sheet capacity of the auto document feeder, which is 50, and all-in-one functions to scan, print, and copy. Although Brother MFC L3750CDW is one of the heaviest laser printers on our list, so you may assume it is more durable and sturdy than HP and Canon, and the lightweight laser printer is HP above reviewed, so you can get one of them according to the space you've. Now let's talk about our experience and features. We got the 4 ink toners, however, we didn't get the ideal page yield with the toners, and the cost per print was relatively higher than the HP and Canon models. The easy setup and wireless connection to connect the devices in the home had no complaints.